Hey everyone. So in this lecture we will see how can we create a workspace, and under workspace we will create project, then identities, and then client, and then we will generate the token. So first let's see how can we create workspace in Ori. So before going to create a workspace, first we need Ori setup. So there are two ways. First, you can set up Ori in your local machine, and second, Ori itself provide one setup for you so that you can start your work or project with Ori, and that is console.ori.sh. So here you will find everything ready. You just need to go there and need to create your account. So first let me open this Ori server. So this is already open in my machine. So you just need to go a browser and you need to just type console.ori.sh, and then it will ask some details like your name, email, and password you need to set up, and then the similar page you will see when you successfully set up all the details. So this is Ori dashboard. So here we will create a workspace. So workspace is like a workspace where you have multiple project. So in single workspace you can create multiple project, and for multiple project you can create identities. So here users are identities. So let me go there. So here you can see how you have already created one workspace, that is Springboard integration. So you can create according to your need, and inside this workspace I have created one project, that is Amit project. You can create a project with any name according to your need, and inside this project I will create one identities, that is user. So let me go to there and let me create identity, and here we need to provide some details like username and password, email. So these basic details we need to provide. So we need to click sign up, and okay, so sign up. Okay, so let me create any account with name. Let me create Rahul, and we need to provide one password, and here we need to provide some combination of numeric and alphabetic characters. So I'm giving a password. So my user has been created. Let me refresh this page. Okay, and let me go there. So here you can see I have created this user recently, Rahul, and after creating the identities I need to create client. So client, when we create client, so we will get one client ID and client secret. So client basically is a application which is going to access your resource server. So that application we need to register with the Ori. So let me go to the auth2, and here you can see we have auth2 clients. So here you need to click on the create auth2 client, and you need to provide basic details like your client name, and it will generate ID for you, client secret, and also you need to provide some basic details like grant types. So let me go there, and you can see scope. I have added here OpenID, read and write, and redirect URI. So this you need to provide here, and this redirect URI we will need when we generate the token. So so you need to remember what redirect URI you have added with this client. So, and these are the basic details. And grant types, like here you have drop down and you need to select. So I have select refresh token, authorization code, client credentials. And response type, here are three options, and I have selected all three options. And access token type JWT, because I want a JWT token in response. So, and here some authentication method I have selected as HTTP body. So these are the basic details. Main we need client ID and client secret when we create the client. So when you will create client, so you will get client secret, and you need to copy and you need to save that client secret, so that in future if you want to use this client, so you need to use that client secret. So now let me perform these operations using Postman, meaning I will perform auth to flow using Postman. So first I will generate one code. So for generating the code we need this URL auth to slash auth, and where you will get this URL on Ori console. Let me go there, and you need to click on auth 2, and here you can see we have these endpoints provided by Ori. So here you can see this is authorized, this is token, introspection, user info, dynamic client. So to generate code we need this URL, that is authorized. So this URL I have copied and I have pasted in the Postman. Then we need to provide some basic parameters like client ID. So when you will create the client, you will get client ID. So same client ID you need to use here. Response time should be code, because we are going to generate authorization code from Ori. And scope, so if you remember when we create the client, so we provided some scopes. So let me go back again. So here you can see scope, OpenID, read and write. So same scope name you have to give here, scope. And redirect URI, again when we created client, so we provided this redirect URI. So in my case this is localhost 8083/callback. So same redirect URI you need to provide here. And state, meaning this is not needed here, so you can give any keyword here, and we are good to go. So now you need to copy this URL, go to your browser, and you need to paste in your browser. When you hit enter, so it will ask for username, password, and what username, password you need to provide? Same username which we just created as identities. So in my case I have created Rahul. Okay, let me type, and password, sign in. And because in request we ask for read scope, so that's why it is asking. So I will click this checkbox and allow, and here you will see if it will redirect to the redirect URI which we provided during creation of client. So you can verify here, and we need this code. So copy this code, and this code we need to generate access token. So again we need this URL. So this URL we will get from Ori console. Let me go there again, auth 2, and here you will see you have this URL token. So same URL you need to use here. So and client ID which you will get from your client when you create the client secret, and code, this is the code which we just copied from the browser. And grant type, authorization code, because this is code we are going to use to get the access token. This is our same redirect URI which we use in the last request and scope as read. Let me hit this API. So we successfully generated the access token using authorization code. So this is whole auth2 flow with Ori, and in coming lectures we will see how can we generate token using Java code.